This is the Natrsym at-home IPL hair removal device. I was sent from another company to review as part of a comparison. So I'm gonna do a full unboxing demo review of this one. User's manual, razor, power cord, and the IPL device. Nice and small. Don't forget to check down here for your protective eyewear. Here is the user's manual showing you how to use it, what skin types and hair types it will or won't work on. So let's go ahead and try it out. On the bottom is your power button. Turn that on and you'll hear it come on. It does have a skin sensor window, so it's not gonna flash when you don't have it up against your skin. A nice safety measure. It's quiet. This is your strength down here. The red is just on, and then when you get it on your skin, it flashes. That means it's ready to go. It is a single bulb in there. No ice cooling window. To adjust the power level, you're gonna push that power button on the back. It's very hard to capture on camera, but you'll see the power levels changing there on the front. There are 5 power levels, as well as manual and auto glide. If you hold this for 3 seconds, it goes into auto glide mode, and it'll just flash as you move along. Turn it off. Down here, so easy, really lightweight, compact, cute, budget friendly.